Assalamu alaikum students. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve exercise 8.1. It's question number 1 we solved yesterday lecture. Now in the previous lecture we studied that how to make the coordinates on a graph paper, but now we have to draw a line. How to draw a line. So in question number 2 it's given that x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 3. One thing keep in your mind, when there is only one point is given that of equation, there is one coordinate is given, that x coordinate or y coordinate, the lines are always parallel to x axis or y axis. If the value of x is given, then the parallel to y axis. If the value of y is given, like here, then the line will be parallel on x axis. When there is only a single variable given, जैसे यहाँ single variable x दिया गया, y दिया गया, कहीं भी आपके पास इक्वेशन x और y को मिक्स करके नहीं दी गई. जब x और y को मिक्स करके इक्वेशन दी जाती है, at that time you have to draw a line is in the change, like not parallel, so it will be like a neither parallel nor vertical. So we have to start draw x is equal to 2. So where is x is equal to the point? X is equal to 2 point on which place? Like here, good, because positive value here x is equal to 2. So there is nothing need to worry about. Just take a scale and parallel to y axis, you draw a line parallel to y axis like that. No need to stop because it is not a line segment. So you will make like this, and after that, what is the line? X is equal to 2, right? The next, x is equal to minus 3. Where it should draw? X is equal to minus 3. Good, x is equal to minus 3 is here. Good. So x is equal to minus 3. We draw a line here. X is equal to minus 3. Sorry. And make arrow on both sides because it is not a line segment. So here its name x is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 1. Where the line y is equal to minus 1? Now this line is on the y coordinate. It will be parallel to x axis. So y is equal to minus 1 is here. So we have to draw the line segment here like that. I will not cross over because you will not be confused. So this is y is equal to minus 1. Right? Y is equal to 3. Where it lie? Y is equal to 3 on y axis and parallel to x axis. Y is equal to 3 here. Good. That is y is equal to 3. It doesn't mean that you have to stop between them. You can take it out like that one, no problem. It's also possible like that. So there is nothing problem for us. So that is the line y is equal to 3. That is a critical question. Group A student will reply me. X is equal to 0. Where it lie? X is equal to 0. Yes. Please. Good. X is equal to 0 is this line on the y axis is already x is equal to 0, this line. So no need to draw because we have already drawn this line. So x is equal to 0 is the line of the y axis. And where is the y of is equal to 0? That is x axis. This line x axis, this one is y is equal to 0. X is equal to half. Where does it lie? X is equal to half. What does it mean and where it lie? Good, because half is equal to x is equal to half means 0.5. And you will solve with the help of calculator. So 0.5 is, where is that? 0.5 is this point. So we have to draw it here like that. X is equal to half. I want to ask one question to you. So you will give me the answer. Solution set means that where the two lines intersect each other, it is called solution set. I want to know about the two values of this one. So what is the value of this P and what is the value of this Q? Please, what is the value of this P? Mean P जहां intersect कर रहा है उस coordinate की value क्या है? Yes, the value of P is equal to, good. So first of all we have to write the value of x, that is equal to 2 because your line straight 2, and the value of y is equal to 3. So what is the value of q? Q की value क्या होगी? Good, the value of q is equal to -3 because first we will write the x coordinate. X coordinate is equal to -3 and y coordinate is also 3. So 1 2 3, yeah, -3 and 3, right? Okay, I can ask one more question. PQR, so what is the value of this R? इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी जहां पे ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं? Yes, good. First we will write the value of x is equal to half here, so half, and y value is, what is that here? -1. So these are the coordinates of this one. In a line, when two linear line intersect each other, such a point is called also intersection. This is a graphical method. इसे हम graphical method भी कहते हैं. ये graphical method से हम उसको explain कर रहे हैं. अब आपके पास मैं कुछ question देता हूँ जिसको आप solve करेंगे और फिर explain भी करेंगे मुझे, ठीक है? Okay? Thank you. जी बेटा, now we are going to solve the second part of question number 2, means when x and y both variables are involved. Before that only single variable involved, we solve that question. When the both variable involved, like for example I am solving the first 11th part. It is given that when 2x minus y is equal to 0, 2x minus y is equal to 0. The first thing, make y single. What you will do that, make y is equal to single. So y going other side, y is equal to 2x. After that you have a property, or you have ability that x is an independent. It means that you can put any value of x, but minimum take 3 values, then it will be help you. Our question is right or wrong, because when the 3 points, keep in your mind. First of all, when there is two variables, so line is a not parallel of x-axis, not parallel to y-axis. First. Second, when the variable is having exponent 1, the line will be straight always straight. And the third precaution is that you have to take minimum 3 points. If the line is not straight, means we will take 3 points. So I will explain when I will solve the question. Take any three values like -1, 0 and 1. यहाँ -2 0 2 ले सकते हैं, -3 2 1 1 2 3 ले सकते हैं, बट मिनिमम आपने 3 पॉइंट्स लेने हैं. अगर आप 4 पॉइंट्स भी लेना चाहें तो भी हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट मिनिमम 3 होने चाहिए. x की वैल्यू -1 यहाँ पुट करेंगे, then what we will get the answer. So y is equal to 2 into -1. The answer is equal to -2. So you have to write here -2. Right? When we are putting 0, then answer is 0. When you are putting 1, so y is equal to 2 into 1, the answer is equal to 2. Right? When you are putting 2 value, so 2 into 2, 4. I am writing here direct. Now we make the 3, not 3, there is 4 ordered pair. We made 4 ordered pair. You will write that the line 4 ordered pair, the first ordered pair is equal to -1 and -2, second 0 0, third 1 2, and fourth 2 4. We take these 4 points on the graph paper, and if all the points join a straight line, it means that then we are right. अगर हमारे पास ये straight line पे join नहीं करते, it means that we are doing some mistake. The first point -1 and -2, where it will lie? In which quadrant? Tell me about that. In which quadrant? Second, third, or first, fourth? Third, because both are negative. So -1 here and -2 this point. Okay, so you can write the name of this one, otherwise no need to write that one. Okay, then 0 0 origin, that is origin. Okay, ये हाफ है पॉइंट पिछले ग्राफ का, तो आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. It may be little bit, the line will be the change, because that is I make this points roughly. 1 and 2, the value of x is equal to 1, the value of y is equal to 2 here. 1 2. 2 and 4, the value of x is equal to 2 and the value of y is equal to 4 where? This point, 4 के सामने, इधर 2 के सामने. ज्वाइन करते हैं. मैंने जैसे आपसे कहा था कि थोड़ा सा आपके पास फर्क आ सकता है, इसको मैं सेट कर देता हूं. यू कैन चेक दैट वन. लेकिन थोड़ा सा अभी मार्कर की वजह से फर्क आया, क्योंकि ये लाइन असूली तौर पे यहाँ से गुजरनी चाहिए थी. वेट वेट वेट, मैं इसको दोबारा करेक्शन कर लेता हूँ, क्योंकि इसे असूली तौर पे यहाँ से गुजरना चाहिए ओरिजिन से. ये हमारी लाइन है और ये इसके पॉइंट्स आपके पास. ये वाला पॉइंट 1 2 पॉइंट आपके पास. अब मैं आपके पास बताता हूँ, इधर से 1 के सामने, दैट इज 1 और 2, इधर से 2 के सामने 1 और 2 आपके पास ये पॉइंट आ गया. 2 4 पॉइंट आपके पास ये आ गया, ये ओरिजिन आ गया. यहाँ वाला पॉइंट हमारे पास दैट इज -1 एंड -2, वो ये पॉइंट हो गया. इन पॉइंट्स रिमूव करके ओरिजिन यहाँ लिख देते हैं. अगर इन पॉइंट्स को मैं नेम लिख दूं, P Q R S, so P that is point Q R and S. ये पॉइंट्स हैं जो आपके पास यहाँ स्ट्रेट आएंगे. जब आप 4 पॉइंट्स लेंगे, अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पे पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दैट कि हमारे पास सवाल हमारा ठीक है. अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पे नहीं आ रही, इट मीन्स दैट यू आर डूइंग सम मिस्टेक. अगर हम सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट भी लें तो 2 पॉइंट पे भी लाइन ड्रा की जा सकती है, लेकिन वो 2 पॉइंट मैं इसलिए मना करता हूँ कि समटाइम्स इट्स मे पॉसिबल कि आपका दूसरा पॉइंट गलत लाइन तो फिर भी स्ट्रेट बनेगी. आप कहेंगे हमारा सवाल तो ठीक है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होगा. जब 3 पॉइंट्स होंगे मिनिमम, तो तीनों पॉइंट को जब लाइन टच करते हो जाएगी, इट मीन्स दैट हमारा क्वेश्चन ठीक है. नाउ इन द सेम वे मेक द टेबल ऑफ दिस वन एंड सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. थोड़ी हेल्प आपके पास ये कर देता हूँ. 3y = 5x से पहले y को सिंगल करना है, यहाँ मैं कर देता हूँ 3y = 5x, so y = 5/3x. so how to make the table? टेबल के अंदर यहाँ x, यहाँ y, तो यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू को लेते हुए ये ख्याल करें कि नीचे है 3, तो मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 बन जाए. ऐसी वैल्यूज को पुट करें जो मल्टीपल ऑफ आपके पास 3 बन जाए. और मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 के लिए जो मेरे ज़हन में आ रहा है, इसके ऊपर क्योंकि 3 की टेबल है, अगर यहाँ पे वैल्यू हम 3 पुट करेंगे, 5 3 15, तो आपके पास कैंसिल होते हैं. एक वैल्यू हम ले लेते हैं -3, दूसरी 0 और तीसरी पॉजिटिव. इससे बेटा क्या फायदा होगा? व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग हियर -3 इन द प्लेस ऑफ x, इट विल बिकम -15. -15 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, -5 0 वैसे आ जाएगा, और यहाँ +5. 3 ऑर्डर पेयर हमें मिल गए. और 3 ऑर्डर पेयर आप ग्राफ पेपर पे लें, और लेने के बाद फिर आप उसे ज्वाइन करके दिखाएं कि आपके पास लाइन स्ट्रेट बन रही है कि नहीं. इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन आल्सो. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.